don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your personalized pet tag. In the realm of pet accessories, a new sensation has lately skyrocketed in popularity, grabbing the spotlight on the collar of every dog or cat with a discerning taste. This isn't just any regular accessory. Welcome the personalized pet tag, a compact yet noteworthy flair that goes beyond being just a fashion statement. In recent news, an unexpected trend has taken the pet world by storm. Personalized pet tag sales are booming, and it seems our four-legged friends are sporting more than just their fur coats these days. A surge in sales suggests that pet owners are increasingly recognizing the importance of these little identifiers. Personalized pet tags are not only a fun way to showcase your pet's personality, but they also serve a practical purpose. They provide essential information that can help reunite lost pets with their owners. Imagine the relief of knowing your beloved pet can be easily identified and returned to you, should they ever wander off. Now, you might be wondering where you can get your paws on one of these trendy tags. Well, look no further than Etsy, the online marketplace for unique and creative goods. Here, you'll find a plethora of personalized pet tags in a variety of sizes, colors, and designs. Each tag is crafted from durable stainless steel, ready to withstand all the adventures your pet is sure to embark on. A particular listing, which has caught the attention of many pet owners, offers tags that are not only functional but also affordable. The tags are currently on sale, making it the perfect time to treat your pet to this stylish and useful accessory. With customization options aplenty, you can ensure your pet's tag is as unique as they are. The seller has a track record of satisfied customers, many of whom have left positive reviews. They're also open to inquiries, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or special requests. So, whether you're a pet owner looking to enhance your furry friend's style, or you're searching for the perfect gift for a pet-loving pal, personalized pet tags are a top pick. Not only do they add a touch of glamour to any collar, but they also provide peace of mind that your pet can be easily identified should they ever get lost. Remember, a personalized pet tag is more than just an accessory. It's a statement of love, a beacon of safety, and a badge of honor for your pet. So why not jump on the trend and get your pet a tag that's as unique as they are? Your furry friend is sure to thank you with a wagging tail or a contented purr. Voiceover. Now that you've seen the love and safety encapsulated in these personalized pet tags, it's time to take action. Don't wait for another moment. Make your pet's day special with a tag that's as unique as they are. Remember to check out the link in the description below to buy your personalized pet tag. By doing so, you're not just buying a tag, you're investing in your pet's safety and expressing your love in a tangible way. Your furry friend will thank you, and that wagging tail or contented purr will be more than worth it.